Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining in. If you found this video informative, you want to support me, just kindly subscribe to my channel and please follow us on Instagram. We regularly post there. So recently the biggest news in the town is that Arshad Warsi and his wife and along with a lot of other people have been arrested for a stock market scam which is very famous, which is the pump and dump scheme. That means that you take a share, it's a very cheap share, it doesn't hold any intrinsic value, and then you put a lot of money in it, you promote it heavily so that the retail investors are ready to buy it, and that creates a demand, and then that shares price increase, and then you dump it. That means that you sell it at a higher price and you bought it at a lower price, and it is a defrauding activity. It is a fraud activity, and it has been said by SEBI on multiple occasions that this is not allowed and this is something that is very wrong in the capital markets. But this is not the first time that this has happened. This has happened a lot of time ago. Now, the biggest example that you can see and you can more relate to is that what happened in the 90s. What Harshad Mehta did with the ACC. ACC was trading at around roughly 300 350 rupees before Harshit came into the picture, and when he came into the picture, after that the stock price peaked at 10,100 and then dropped below, because you can't sustain such high prices in the capital markets until and unless that company has that kind of a value generated for its investors, right? Harshad did the same thing with Polo Steel, Rico, and a lot of other companies, and you can see all of that here. But let's talk about Arshad Warsi, his wife, and a lot of these other people. So, what these people did, they saw a share that was Sadhana Broadcasting Limited. You can see that here, okay? Till 4th March 2022, this share was trading at a price of 1.77 rupees. Very cheap share. We call these share penny stocks. Now, what are penny stocks? Penny stocks are those stocks which are very cheap in the market and which do not hold any intrinsic value. The company behind them are usually not existing, or if even if existing, it is not undergoing any business, and even if undergoing any business, it's not good, it's most probably a bankrupt business. Okay, so these are penny stocks, and these are most prone to pump and dump schemes because these are firstly not noticed that much, and then the prices are such so low that people get tempted that they would be able to buy high quantities of it, but it's of no use since it has no value. Okay, you can have a garbage which is cheap, but it will still remain a garbage. Okay, so this share of Sadhana Broadcasting Limited, and it is a penny stock, and till 4th March it was priced at 1.77 rupees, and that's when all these people come into the play. So what they start doing is they buy extensively into the stock. They hold a lot of big value from the stock. They buy it at a price of 1.77. Then what they do is that they promote it through YouTube and a lot of YouTube channels, and they promote it through YouTube, and they make a situation in the market that this share is going to become a multi-bagger, that will give 100x returns. Just go and buy this share. What happened? The demand for this share increased. The share, which was trading at 1.77 rupees, rose to a price of 31 or 32 rupees in the market. Just imagine the kind of profit that would have been made. And then, when at the price of 31 and 32, they realized that okay, now it's not going anywhere above that, they sold all the shares that they bought at 1.77.